Are you craving a buttery nutty snack? If yes, then let's whip up some homemade almond sticks. They are very crispy and delicious and extremely easy to make. Start by adding 100 grams of softened unsalted butter and 50 grams of powdered sugar to a bowl. Whisk it until it's light and fluffy. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything well together. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Sift in 145 grams of all-purpose flour and some chopped almonds. Mix everything and knead a soft dough. Place the dough on the parchment paper and roll it out evenly. Cut it into neat rectangular shape. And sprinkle some chopped almonds on top for that nutty crunch. Next, slice it into long strips. Pop them into refrigerator for 30 minutes to set completely. Finally, after 30 minutes, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until they are golden brown. And there you have it, crispy buttery almond sticks. It is perfect with your tea or coffee. If you like watching my video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.